Governor Najma Heptullah says journalists are crusaders of truth, stresses importance of responsive and responsible press. Chief Minister Ibobi reveals centre did not invite state government for talks on UNC's indefinite economic blockade. Former Chief Minister Risang Keishing asserts UNC should opt for peace talk instead of creating problems for people. At least 250 vehicles carrying oil, food and other essential items are expected to arrive in Imphal late tonight. And MLA Joy Kishan alleges that relatives of ministers and MLAs have been recruited in Assembly Secretariat. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchung with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Governor Dr. Najma A. Heptullah today expressed her confidence that the press of the state will uphold the dignity and maintain high standards expected from this powerful medium. Dr. Najma A. Heptullah was speaking at the National Press Day Come One Day workshop on reporting from conflict area, a challenge to the media, organized by Department of Information and Public Relations at the banquet hall of the 1st Manipur Rifles. She said journalists are the crusaders of truth and are meant to report the full and correct fact of an incident which reflects all sides of the problem. Mass media, both print and electronic media, act as a powerful influence on how people view the world and in molding their opinion of things. She said mass media should not be allowed to misrepresent or to control the news and to rule through manipulation. The governor stated that in this context, what strikes her most important is the responsive and responsible press. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi said the role of media is even bigger in Manipur. He expressed the belief that the media will help in communicating innovative ideas of developmental works of the state. As a part of the event, Manipur State Journalist Awards was presented to an editor and 8 journalists. Governor Dr. Najma A. Heptullah presented the awards. These awards carry a cash prize and citation. Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Yumnam Rupachanda, presented a paper on reporting from conflict area, a challenge to the media at the workshop held in connection with the day. Former President of AMJU and veteran journalist A.K. Sanaton was the moderator.
Press or journalism is often said to be the 4th pillar of our democracy. The media has a very crucial role to help in finding an effective solution to prevent conflicts and even mitigate conflict situations through objective, well-researched and honest reporting that reflect the views of all sides of the problem.
Press na tungan ba khetnaba issue kayada miyangni pukning olhanbada asoba thodang lawribani issue kayada amadi maduda thodang lawriba miyoi kayagi maramda asumba amadi khan sanana paudamba si mapung pharba amadi daita leiba media gi magunni haidana mayam punamangna singthanaribani.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today disclosed that the centre did not officially invite the state government for yesterday's talks with United Naga Council, UNC and the centre in Delhi on the indefinite economic blockade called by the UNC on the national highways in Manipur. He said the state could not send its representatives as it did not get the invitation to the talk. The Chief Minister was responding to media query while coming out of the banquet hall of Manipur Rifles after attending the National Press Day celebration. Responding to another media query whether the government will declare United Naga Council as an unlawful organization, Okram Ibobi maintained that the government has not yet decided to declare it as an unlawful organization, even though it is discussing the problem in detail.
That step is not yet taken any concrete decision. We will look into what shall we take next step. At the moment we are trying to bring all the ascension communities either of this national highway. This is our first priority. That is, easily we can say anything, but when it come into practical, it's not an easy thing. Actually, they are not inviting to us officially. So that's why we could not attend that meeting. Opposition always will say like that, but ground reality, whether they know or not, that is, let the people decide.
The National Press Day observed on November 16 is symbolic of a free and responsible press. It was on this day the Press Council of India started functioning as a moral watchdog to ensure that the press maintain high standards and is not fettered by any influence or threats. Today is also the Golden Jubilee of Press Council. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will confer Excellence in Journalism Awards, including Raja Ram Mohan Roy, to veteran journalist S. Nihal Singh. Information and Broadcasting Minister M. Venkaiah Naidu and Minister of State for I&B Rajyavardhan Rathore will also attend the event in Delhi. Delegation from a number of countries like Bangladesh, Maldives, Nepal and Sri Lanka will attend the function, while Afghanistan and Bhutan are expected to be represented by their embassies since they do not have press council. Pakistan is likely to skip the function. Former Chief Minister Risang Keishing has asserted that the United Naga Council UNC must opt for peace talks rather than creating problems for the people by imposing indefinite economic blockade on the national highways. The former Chief Minister was speaking at a book release function at Manipur Press Club. He further stated that the blockade has caused a lot of hardships to the common people. He called for the need for peace and harmony among different sections of the society.
Rocket pun lale, koi nungsi jana bagi wang tau tu na yak na bagi mana cina kira, asyik wai roy, tok piu habine. Ati hujuma koi kishu, nungai dra ka chat kanu, government ka bhajan na tana ka bhab tana na, loishin na tok piu hain hari bisin. Mi ke bijar ngai lai koi dai koi kishu tau kudi na. Manipur ke mi se koi mi se nungsi na bagi amwat kira, asyik ting na tok dai.
A documentary book on Chadongkhul, a village submerged underwater due to the construction of Mapithil Dam, was launched today by Joint Action Committee on Rehabilitation and Resettlement of Chadong village. Speaking at the occasion, former Minister R.V. Minthing said the Mapithil project may benefit the people in various ways, but the government should help the affected people by the dam. He also appealed to government to compensate and rehabilitate those who have been left jobless and homeless. Former Chief Minister Risang Keishing and representatives of JAC Chadong village also attended the event.
Politics na ilmu sinaw siya mo. Pom na mata. Nungsi chame na bagi, chamin na bagi, lemin na bagi, adoga, pang na bagi, tiangpi na bagi, wakhan khanaga, ekoi problem ko mo solve the.
At least 250 oil tankers and trucks carrying food and other essential items are expected to arrive in Imphal late tonight. Sources told Impact News that the loaded vehicles left Silchar for Imphal with escorts. They also said the vehicles include 40 petrol and diesel tankers and 210 trucks of food and other essential items. Till the time of this reporting, the vehicles have reached None in Tamenglong district. Thangmaiban MLA K.H. Joy Kishan has alleged that relatives of ministers and MLAs have been selected in the recruitment of committee officers in the Assembly Secretariat. He also warned to take out intense agitation if the government does not clarify and call for fresh recruitments in Assembly Secretariat and other departments. Speaking to media persons at the BJP office at Nitya Pachutek, the MLA said in the recent recruitment of 7 committee officers for Assembly Secretariat, All selected candidates were found to be relatives of Chief Minister, Speaker, Cabinet Ministers and MLAs. He alleged that there were no signatures of the invigilators and codes on the answer sheets. He also mentioned that the irregularities in the recruitment process right from the advertisement for the post of Deputy Director, Information Technology. Joy Kishan also alleged that Anganwadi supervisors in Social Welfare Department were recruited in violation of the rules.
Kauriba thabak sing asi nepotism mongda mari mata ngakta thabak haple habagi wathok achawa ma lagle appointment tawdna result thokraba mioi taret ase maki maming amasung maki address pibiu praja gi samam na basi haduna che ama assembly secretary ta ijakre adu hoji phoba answer fangdri scheduled tribe ki kota anisi cabinet minister amagi machanupi khalli adu atop amana Congress ki MLA amagi macha nupi khali aduga general gi singasina honorable chief minister gi manau nupa gi macha nupi ama khali honorable speaker gi manau nupa thokpagi nupi ama khali atop cabinet minister amagi mase nupa khali habo opama lagi nepotism chathaba aranba mongda thabuk tobutudi ko chungya yaroi BJP Manipur Pradesh na matam punamakta thinga.
All Manipur Students' Union AMSU today organized a march against a hike in transport fare due to UNC's economic blockade on the two national highways of the state. Students of TG Girls Higher Secondary School, CC Higher Secondary School and Ananda Singh Higher Secondary Academy took off the march from TG Girls Higher Secondary School. The rally passed Wahangbam Laikai Bazaar area and back to TG School. President of AMSU District Committee Imphal East Laishram Thauba condemned the economic blockade and appealed for its immediate suspension. Volunteers of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam and Apunba Iraipaki Mahairoi Singh Panglup today stormed the head office of BJP Manipur Pradesh at Nityaipa to take, demanding suspension of the UNC blockade. Volunteers of Desam and AIMS and students of different schools first gathered at the office of Desam at Kaishampat and marched towards the BJP head office. However, they were stopped by police at the gate of the BJP office. Some students' representatives were then allowed to enter the office to submit a memorandum to the leaders of BJP Manipur Pradesh. They demanded free movement on national highways without disturbances and immediate repair of National Highway 53 without waiting for centre's intervention. The counter-blockade called by Thamibin United Club took against the economic blockade of UNC has entered the fifth day today. Volunteers of the apex body of all clubs in Thamibin took stop vehicles going to hill districts and checked them. During the drive, many food items being transported to the hill district were confiscated from the vehicles. The items were then sold off at government-approved prices at Thamibin College Gate, and money collected from the sale was given to the owners of the items. Kanglaipa Commercial Affairs Association Cacao today distributed the several items they seized yesterday at Khairambat Bazaar. They distributed the items at the maximum retail price. It may be recalled that the association confiscated items being sold at higher rates by the shopkeepers taking advantage of the indefinite economic blockade of the UNC. It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
UNACO School, Common Zone 3. Announcement. The school management is pleased to announce the joining of Mrs. Taurangbam Ongbi Rita Nancy in the capacity of headmistress from 15th December 2016. She is the senior-most teacher in the Little Flower School, Imphal, having more than 35 years of considerable experience in handling classes from pre-nursery to secondary level. Announced by the school management.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean, and healthy water.
Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. As a part of the year-long celebration of the 125th anniversary of Manipur Police, Chief Secretary Onaba Kishore today flagged off a cycle rally at Moirang Lamkhai to spread the awareness among the people to save the Sangai. The rally concluded at Kaibul Lamjau Paubi Community Hall. DGP LM Kaute, Chief Conservator of Forest B.N. Prasad, and several police officers attended the event. DGP LM Kaute said Manipur is known to the world by its Sangai and Loktak Lake. He said the cycle rally is organized to spread awareness about the need to save Sangai and Loktak. Onaba Kishore appreciated the effort of the Manipur police and appealed to the people not to kill Sangai for its meat from today.
Sugumba cycle rally sigi matung dagidi mayam puna mana koi wasak ama lausi madudi sangai si koi nungsi si sangai bo yokpi si sangai hato kom si sangai gi mit ki damak tai koi thoina khan gom si sangai na taba koi cha ba ya ba mit mayam ama lai sangai gi mit se koi cha ra gom si koi sangai si yokhatna lairaboi di koi lamdam si ki chawkhat pa da su mateng soidana oigani tourist mayam singtuna lakwa matamda अखोई लोकल की एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्या जनरेशन तौरकनी अखोई इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट लैराकनी है वैसे हाइजनिंग
Imphal East Commando today continued search operations in Imphal East ahead of Manipur Sangai Festival to prevent untoward incidents. A team of commandos and women police conducted search operations since early morning around Hapta Kangtibung, which is the main venue of the festival. SDPO Porumpad, Roni and OC Commando Lungthang Waifai supervised the search operation. The area was cordoned off before the operation and people were verified. Imphal East Commando arrested two active cadres of KCP Maoists at Pangai Bazaar yesterday. The cadres are identified as Hizam Ningthim Singh, 30 years, a son of Manikomba of Moirangpuril Mamanglaikai, and Huyam Bila Maitai, 30 years, son of late Sanajauba of Sinam Mayailaikai. They were arrested by a team of Imphal East Commando while checking at Pangai in the afternoon around 2. One mobile phone and a SIM card was seized from them. They are allegedly working under the self-styled chairman of the outfit, Kanglaipal, and involved in extortion of money from the people in Imphal, Pradhan and members of Panchayat and contractors. Silver Jubilee celebration of High Court Bar Association of Manipur concluded today. On the closing event held today at Manipur High Court Auditorium, Chingmairong members of the association offered floral tribute to its deceased members. Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar, MLAs Victor Kaishing, R.K. Imo and Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, Rakesh Ranjan Prasad were among those present at the occasion. Parth Nauram, a Class 11 student of Kendriya Vidyalaya Langjing, bagged the first position in the national debate at the Social Science Exhibition Kam National Integration Camp 2016, organized by All India Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan in New Delhi. The event held from November 9th to 11th was participated by 1,200 contestants from 25 regions. Parth represented Silchar region. BJP Manipur Pradesh Pathway State Councillor C.H. Bijoy has given financial assistance to Thauchom Victoria, who was assaulted by the father of a patient at All Asian Medical Institute, Kolkata. Victoria Afsar Golban Khanam Lairak is a nurse at the institute. The financial aid was handed over to her family in presence of the members of JAC against live attempt on Kumari Thokchom Victoria at her residence. Victoria was hit on the head by a patient's father on October 20th. She is undergoing treatment at the Institute of Neurosciences, Kolkata. Rupees 6 lakh has been spent on her treatment.
Sarkar ge mieng changbide sarkar na angamba mateng tawbiu ai ichagi thawai kanbiu ma hoji unconscious lei Manipur sarkar na Kolkata sarkar sida angamba mateng ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇ ꯎꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯔꯩꯕ ꯁꯝꯄꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯤꯡꯒꯣꯜ ꯌꯣꯟꯒꯗꯧꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯁꯜꯂꯛꯂꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ
ꯅꯔꯁ ꯑꯃꯕꯨ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯀꯣꯛ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯦꯖꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯣꯜꯀꯇꯥꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯏꯪꯈꯥꯡ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯤꯌꯨ.
Reacting to a news item which appeared in dailies that there is no boycott of BJP in Mayang Imphal Konchak Apunba Nupi Loop Secretary Sapam Chintamani said Mayang Imphal Konchak still boycotts BJP. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, she contradicted the statement of Sapam Nongyai Jau of Mayang Imphal Konchak Mamang Lekkai, who said BJP is not boycotted in the area. She said Nongyai Jau cannot represent the people of the area. Nupi Lal Numir Observation Committee will organize the 77th Nupi Lal Ningsing Thauram on the 12th of December at Thau Ground, Thangmaiban. Speaking to media persons, committee convener Thongam Apabi said it is an important day which reminds the people that the women fought against the artificial famine caused by the authority.
Manipur Lady Lupsing Amkil Kanglamai Pore Lemron Kawa Amobha Nupis Hamas Tami Singmi Me Wak Na Punsinjaduna Nupilan Observation Committee Amas Hemjaduna Tau Ground Tangwebanda Miyangi Oiba Tauram Ama Pangtok Sagadoi Asiguma Tauram Asida Lamdam Sigi Puxel Chauroba Chaurobising Angamba Mateng Pangbinaba Observation Committee Maike Degi Nonglukna Hajari.
Job card holders of Kurai Angom Laikai Part 1 2 under Kangla Gram Panchayat led by AMDC submitted a memorandum to the Imphal East DC to disburse the wages for the year 2013 to 2016. The memorandum demanded distribution of wages, punishment of those who misappropriated the wages and construction of sanitary latrines under Swachh Bharat Mission Manipur for Angom Laikai Part 1 and 2. Workers' Union Manipur WOM has expressed its gratitude to state government for raising the wage of daily workers employed under 15 different scheduled employment to Rs 293. Now the sports news. North Imphal Sporting Association NISA Thangmaiban is out of the 11th Manipur State League. In the loser bracket for the double elimination round played at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium today, Anauba Imagi Mangal Kabam Lamkai trounced North Imphal Sporting Association NISA Thangmaiban 3-0. Trau Kakitel will play FC Zelen Sadar Hills in a double elimination round tomorrow. Movanlai Athletics Club Sadar Hills entered the final of Thangjambir Chandra Maipakpi Memorial 21st Winners' Cup. In a match played today at Kuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground, home team Movanlai Athletics Club Sadar Hills beat away team Highway Stars Union Thaubal 2-1. The match between AFC Churachandpur and DM Rao Sekmai to be played at Kolmun Ground Churachandpur has been postponed. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Football Association under the sponsorship of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Private Limited. R.K. Sanatombi Devi College of Education held a one-day discussion on the benefits of yoga on physical, mental and spiritual health at the college complex at Asha Jina Complex. Arambam Arjun, Assistant Professor of Kanan Devi Memorial College of Education, was the resource person and video clippings on yoga were also shown. Maira Bashikong have won the 7th Under-16 men's state level hockey tournament hosted by Manipur Hockey at Kuman Lampak AstroTurf Hockey Stadium. In the final match, Maira Bashikong beat Hockey Union Ladigingbam Laikai 3-2 to win the tournament. Sai Guwahati Trust Seyo Singtumay 6-0 in the final of the Under-16 women to bag the title. 7 men teams and 5 women teams competed in the tournament. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Governor Najma Heptullah says journalists are crusaders of truth, stresses importance of responsive and responsible press. Chief Minister Ibobi reveals centre did not invite state government for talks on UNC's indefinite economic blockade. Former Chief Minister Risang Keishing asserts UNC should offer peace talk instead of creating problems for people. At least 250 vehicles carrying oil, food and other essential items are expected to arrive in Imphal late tonight. And MLA Joy Kishan alleges that relatives of ministers and MLAs have been recruited in Assembly Secretariat.